To pass MPJE, you have to have this down cold. One of the things that MPJE is going to be looking for, and I hope you've reviewed the competency statements already, is your understanding of how to handle controlled substances. Your understanding of, based on what class a controlled substance falls into, what are your regulatory compliance responsibilities as a pharmacist around purchasing them, storing them, dispensing them, and also disposing of them. And so, in order for you to be able to know any of these, you have to be able to accurately identify what medications are Schedule 2 from medications that are Schedules 3 through 5, because this differentiation completely changes how you purchase, store, and dispense them and what your regulatory requirements are. So, here are a few things that you can do to help you remember drug classification for MPJE. So grouping, I think, is great by category. Benzodiazepines, for example, as a group being Schedule 4s. Stimulants being Schedule 2 products. Oxycodone single ingredient products, Schedule 2 products. Um, Codeine plus cough syrups, right? Cough syrups containing codeine being Scheduled 5, for example. So grouping them in the beginning by classes can be very helpful in advancing and helping you commit these drugs to memory. The next thing that I found really useful is focusing on the top 25. What are the top 25 drugs in these categories? Because that's what they're going to ask you. So focus on learning what are the top 25s and categorizing all these top 25s correctly. That could help you kind of just narrow the list and focusing on what you need to commit to memory. Lastly, it's going to be mnemonics. And for this, the crazier, the better. The more outlandish the mnemonic, the better, because it allows you to register it and commit it to memory so much better than some story that has a beginning, a climax, like there's all this plot. No, the crazier the mnemonic, the better. But make sure that you walk into MPJE and that you could be given any controlled substance and you can properly classify it, because it could be the deal breaker in you getting a question right or wrong.